Whose house is this?
My friend's house.
Which friend?
What my friend's house?
Which friend?
I need you to calm down
Which
first.
friend? I need to know which friend.
Can you
Today.
calm down first?
Which
Then
friend?
I'll show you.
Kwa sababu mimi, skiza. John, don't join the other side. I don't care kama leo fight. I don't care kama uende kisu, kill me. Unasikia? Ile wa morada. If you wanna kill me, kill me. I'm tired either way. Unasikia? I don't fucking care. Kama upigie Bishop Kiongo, call him. Kama upigie wa Muthika, call her. I don't give a fuck. Unasikia? Today, if you wanna kill, if you wanna do whatever you wanna do, I'm not fearing you. Si unanichapanga? Do whatever you wanna do today. I'm not fearing you, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck. Noigwa. Today, I don't give a fuck. Mi utanitesa. Hati kwa sababu unaonanga nikikubeg. Unasikia? I've loved you all this time. Na ndio maana nimekuwa nikikwambia, oh baby, I'll change. Kwa sababu I know myself. I listen. And I wanna do right. Noigwa. Lakini si ati unitese. Nikikupigia hapa ukiwa job, unaniongelesha sijui aje. I'm your fucking wife. Si ati unaniongelesha, ati are you supposed to call your, ati I didn't know you need permission to call your husband. What the fuck? You're supposed to talk to me nicely. Just because ati tumekuwa nikaa na kubeg. Just because I want to make it right. Kama hutaki marriage, sema. Huku nipata nikuwa chokora. Unasikia? Kama unataka kurudia ma ex wako, warudie John. But mimi hutanitesa. You will not. And I will not accept. Unasikia? Hutanitesa na madharau, kunionyesha madharau. Hutanitesa. Jana nilikufanya nini? Ndio unionyesha madharau. Just because I called you on the phone, nikiwa na roho safi. I even texted you. Nikakutext. You are very rude, motherfucker. Nikakutext. Nikakuuliza, baby, what time can I call you? I'm fucking tired. No, Ibua, utashinanga ukitwist bar on my side. I'm tired. Puta imechoka. No, I texted you. Nilikutext nikakuuliza nini?
But I answered you.
No! Ukaanza kuniuza, madharau ni kama ati, ni kama umechoka na mimi ati, you think, what the fuck? I can still get a man too. The same way unajisikia hot, I can still fucking get a man. And I don't care. Hata kama ni wapi. I don't fucking care. Sahi give a fuck. Noigwa. Kwa nini asio my ex magure na kusho tumesokere turudia matapiko. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Rudia hiyo kiasi yako mmekuwa mkimit. I don't fucking care. Unasikia motherfucker? I don't give a fuck. I do not give a fuck. I don't give a fuck right now. You can't explain. Who had you gone to meet yesterday? Ulikuwa umeenda na nani bila? Ulikuwa umeenda na nani hizo malunch? Who? I don't fucking care.
I'll call them actually.
Who?
I'll show you.
Who had you gone with?
Myself.
With who?
By myself.
You think I'm a fool?
I went to their house.
You think I'm a fool?
No, you're not.
To whose house?
I'll show you.
Whose house?
Can I show you? Can I show you, please, if you don't mind?
Sure.
I will show you, if you don't mind. And then I will also call them. Both of them. I'll call him and his wife. Now we're together and Mwambie, my wife is here, very upset, and I would like to show you something, okay? I will start showing you the conversation. That way you know where I'm coming from, okay? And please calm down. I don't want you to hurt yourself, babe. This is my friend. His name is Habib, okay? I'll start here. This is where it starts. This is our conversation from yesterday. I started by asking him how is his family. Okay? His name is Habib. And you can see him in this picture. Yeah, I'll even go through our history, that way you see where I'm coming from. So I asked him how was the baby. He's coming back on Monday. We bought a gift, we never took it. Remember Pastor came that time. So I told him, hey, I'm home, I'm off today. Are you watching the game today? I can drop him today, the gift, and watch the game when I am. So I said, yeah, that's nice. You're home all day today. Okay, cool. So I told him I'll see him at 3 p.m. Okay? Said, okay, bro, see you. And I went to his house. And I did take a picture, but I knew you're gonna do that. So I also, not that, I took his address, took the picture of the game. I would even call him to go there. This is the address. And you can send me 209. Read it all. Now I'll show you the address from here, from his phone. Now you can see. As you can see here, this is the invitation to me to the quad. That time. See the 209 Royal Ridge Road in Raleigh. Snake's egg there, Giacoda community. That's the address. That's their door right there. Okay, that's his car. Okay. And that's us watching the game. And as you can see, this is their wall. You can see the wife there. That's Habib. That's their new baby. That's the wife. That's the mother. Okay. And that's us watching the game last night. The championship game. You can see. Real Madrid, Man City.
What time was that picture taken?
Exactly. Good question. I can show you that. You can just go into details. See? 4:40 p.m. The game starts at 3. It's 2 hours. Okay. And this is what the wife cooked for us. And I thought I've never had their food. I said I'll take a picture. I can show my wife. Because next time you guys come. I know you guys are spicy as you don't have spice. You guys, when you come. You cook Kenyan food, but you cook spicy here, tuna spice. You don't eat spicy food. And you can see this is the dining table actually, no matter of fact. And this is me after when I'm leaving. I like their car. This is the car that we bought for them. It's a 7-seater, and I said, wow. I know my wife doesn't like vans. I can buy a SUV. So yeah, that's it. You're right. I went to the house. Yes, I did go. But actually, if you could have asked me, I could have told you. You see, Nashida. And yesterday when you texted me about calling, I was just like, you don't need. I'm off. The only time you can ask me, is when I'm at work. I'm at home. You can call me anytime. You're my wife. You can call me anytime, any place. I don't have a problem. You don't need to make an appointment. You're my wife. You're free to call me anywhere you want. Okay? And if you have anything that you think, you can ask me. Without yelling, without screaming, without accusing of anything. See, Nashida, I'm open. Yeah. I told you when you married me that I will never cheat you. You see, I didn't say that kufurahisha, ama kufanya nini. And another thing that I have on my car is I have the dash cam. So when I wake up, I'll go get the dash cam. It shows you everywhere I went yesterday. So atakuwekea uone nikitoka hapa, nikifika kwa Habib, nikipark, and you can call Habib and the wife. So I was there with their mother. I had a very good time. He's supposed to come on Monday. And now I know you can notice this, the gift is gone. I gave them their gift. So yeah, that's where I was. And you can see this is the time right about the Nikitoka. So you can tell I got home after that. See, this is 5:33. Remember the whole time I got here? It's 10 minutes drive. I got here at 5:45.
Why didn't you just tell me?
You didn't ask me.
No, you should have told me.
Oh, you didn't ask me.
In a marriage, people are supposed to communicate. You know that. Unafanya hivyo ndio tu ufanye ati sasa ni.
Oh, that's what you wanna call me.